Oh, tell of his might and sing of his grace, whose robe is the light, whose canopy space. Hello, my friends. Welcome to our backyard classroom where we study the book of nature. Welcome to the backyard garden where we study the spoken word. Okay. Welcome to our classroom where we learn about the invisible God. Okay? Through things which we created. Welcome to where we learn about the love of God and the tree of life and the path which leads to the eternal rock. Okay? And this beautiful gentleman over here. Okay? So today I would like us to think about another parable. Okay? That guy over there. You see him. The sun. Okay? We have a lot to speak about the sun. Okay? We have a lot to speak of concerning the sun. But today we are going to derive a parable from our nearest star. Okay? The sun, it radiates energy. Okay? It radiates energy. So our parable will be the kingdom of heaven. It can be likened to the sun, okay, which radiates energy in order for all things to exist. Okay, scientists say that the photons, the light, the sun, okay, it is the source of energy. Okay, it powers everything. You see these green things over here, the leaves and the grass and these plants over here, they photosynthesize. Okay, they use the energy from the sun to create their own energy to survive. Okay, so the sun, it provides energy. Okay, it sustains life on earth. Okay, it sustains life on earth. That's Christ. That's Christ. That's the Creator. That's the Redeemer. That's the Lord of the Sabbath. Okay, that's the cross. That's Christ. Give him all. Okay, that's Christ. Give him all, so that we who dwell in darkness, without the sun, the planet is in darkness. Okay, so that we who dwell in darkness should live. Okay, we see the light and we thrive. Okay, that's the gospel from the sun, which radiates energy. Okay, so that we here in this rock should survive. Okay, that's Christ opening up his arms and giving his life so that we should not perish. Okay, my friends, I don't know what to call this, a parable or a lesson, but it's like that. It's a parable along with its meaning. Okay, that's Christ. That's Christ on the cross. Okay, thank you, my friends.